necessities.
Well, I love the music. The music is very nice. Yeah, I love the coming in. The jazz music is very lifted up.
I have seen this. I've seen this before.
Recipes that bring the bare necessities of life.
I don't mind watching it again because it's very interesting, very entertaining.
Of my big home.
It gives us consumers who are watching this film a lot of curiosity and also a lot of imagination. What it is talking about, we are waiting for it. And the best part is in the storytelling, it's not boring.
So funny.
The bare necessities of life will come to you.
Okay, then you see at the end, coming to the end, a city packed with boxes, filling boxes. As a creative guy, I would definitely wait for the end.
The director is doing a very good job. So much detail and the scale. The production quality is amazing. I love this idea. Well, because I'm also a driver, I can imagine myself in a box every day stuck in a traffic jam.
I love this film a lot. It's very conceptual, like a metaphor, you know. Yeah, it gives us people a lot of imagination. Somehow there's something about this box, but what is it talking about?
A lot of details just showing everyday life people encounter in a city, but make it very entertaining to watch. The city can be so much better if we have less car, so I totally get the idea.
Box is actually in our life. We used to move things, we used to clear rubbish, all kind of things to make our family, our home, our city a better place, you know. So box is something that we use to change things and make things better. And box is also something that you can share things, you can share with your friends, put things together and share with friends. So it puts across the purpose of let's ride together.
Another thing that I really appreciate is the call for action. There's some point of view about ride together. So it's not just very entertaining. It is with a good cause, a good reason behind.
Guess what I just got?
The first iPhone. I have that.
In your arms.
iPhone 4.
That's a big phone.
With all of your conniving, you lost your charm.
Yes, we are upgrading himself with all the iPhones.
Okay, waterproof.
It seems like Samsung is solving all the functional problem of iPhone.
Wireless charging.
I'm gonna find somebody out there that will surrender to me.
He finally upgraded to the Samsung. Yeah, and now he no longer follow the crowd.
I think it's a quite a smart way to do comparison ad instead of side by side.
When I see this ad, what comes into my mind? Pepsi and Coke, you know, they are always competing with each other. And now here we got Apple iPhone with Samsung.
I think this is a very smart way, like Samsung always do that. They're always hitting on iPhone's weakness.
Throughout the whole film, iPhone was never something that he actually wanted by himself. He was always blindly following after the crowd. But somehow in his life, Samsung seems to come into the picture, that Samsung seems to solve all the problems of the iPhone that all of us iPhone users have, you know.
Whether this will result the iPhone user, hardcore user like me, to switch to Samsung, I doubt it.
Seems like some kind of experiment video or something very documentary style.
ールハラスメント。麺をすすって美味しく食べたい人と、麺すすり音を不快に感じる人との間に生まれる圧力。
どうして彼らはすするのですか？
その方が絶対美味しい。
This is something very Japanese culture. Yeah. When the Japanese enjoy the noodle, they'll come up with this slurping noise. Okay, but somehow foreigners, they just don't seem to accept.
Noodle slurping noise cancelling fork.
そう、麺すすり音カモフラージュ機能搭載フォーク、音彦の特徴点を
So, okay, very Japanese advertising style. They came out with this technology, this new innovation of a fork. Okay, very easy to understand, very clear. It's because it's in a documentary style.
Very interesting, very Japanese.
音彦。
This is a microphone that can pick up the sound of the slurping noise and enhance it, dramatize it, make it better, maybe, yeah, and into a new sound in the iPhone.
今まですすったことがない人も思い切って試してみてください。どうです？もっと美味しく感じるでしょ？音彦があれば文化の違いなんてすぐに乗り越えられるんです。
The foreigners, everyone enjoy this way of eating the noodle. When you enjoy it, enhance it, embrace the slurping noise.
みんな楽しくなってくる。ほら、こんな感じに。これからは好きなだけ麺をすすれる。そう、音彦ならね。
I like it, but it seems a little bit weird or fake. Maybe the way they're executing.
Definitely, this ad is not very logical. You know, it's not logical at all.
Nissin as a instant noodle product always gives us a surprise in their advertising.
If you really look into this ad, the fun part is they are just having fun. They are embracing the slurping noise. They are enhancing it, embracing it, and leveraging it, and until so much so that with the technology, everybody is just having fun.
Overall, I think the idea is very interesting, very Japanese, smart way of getting attention, a product innovation. It's good for instant noodle. Yeah.